Probably our most dynamic and innovative example of business process automation is the chart acquisition platform. What I'm going to show you is how a multi-billion-dollar medical billing organization uses it to save tens of millions of dollars a year over their previous manual process. To give you some background, their process involves collecting patient records from more than 1,000 hospital clients across the United States. Vital to their business is the collection of millions of documents on a daily basis, but until these charts are complete and medically accurate, no billing can occur. The business issue that Visual Vault resolves is core to this company's profitability. Collecting and aggregating these millions of documents per day from more than 1,000 clients across multiple lines of business, and then managing the efforts of thousands of employees across the country to provide billing, along with concise and accurate reporting of this massive process. This complex workflow drives the revenue of the enterprise, which is nearly $8 billion a year. What you see is the management dashboard, which provides an executive overview of the business process. The chart acquisition platform captures these documents and then drops them, post-analysis, into one of two queues. A completed queue, meaning the patient chart has all the necessary components for billing to occur, and a discrepancy queue, representing charts that have some item missing that is preventing them from being billed. As I mentioned, this is an executive level overview, and there are a number of drill-down capabilities. But a typical user would enter the system through this view, which focuses specifically on those hospitals that they are responsible for managing. For instance, if I want to drill down on hospital code KEN22, I simply point at this bar and open up the discrepancy queue for that particular hospital. The focus here is identifying exactly which chart components are missing. As the documents are required, they're delivered to the document analysis engine, where they are reviewed for medical accuracy. The documents that fail these criteria are routed back to the originators, where specific deficiencies are noted and can be corrected. Once the chart is corrected, it's deemed complete and it's routed to the completed queue. Those documents that successfully pass these evaluation states are routed via automated workflow to the endpoint of the process and can be automatically delivered to the client's billing system. Also, from here I can view the patient chart and then go directly to the hospital profile form, a Visual Vault I-form that contains what is required to complete a valid patient chart for this hospital. It's the business rules that are input into our ICR and business learning engine. As complete and accurate charts are delivered to the endpoint work queue, those data elements that were captured during the document analysis phase are now delivered to the various billing systems for each line of business. There are several major innovations introduced by this solution. First, document acquisition has now gone from days to minutes. Second, since most of their paper is now gone, the scanning activity has been replaced with our Print to Visual Vault driver, delivering documents as print streams before they even become an unstructured image. Third, throughout this entire business process, the data that the system reconciles has been moved into Visual Vault's powerful business analytics workflow. And as you can see, the workflow is a very simple drag and drop canvas. Also, the system has been passing data from various sources into Visual Vault's powerful analytics engine. The analytics engine uses this data to provide aggregated reporting, delivering true business insight into these vital processes to managers and executives across the enterprise. The analytics engine also provides for real-time actionable analytics to monitor specific metrics and provide alerts to call attention to critical billing issues.